Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video I'd love to show you how to make these gorgeous little Christmas tree decorations. Now they work up really quickly and I would say that they are very beginner friendly, and bonuses, they don't use that much yarn either. So let's jump right into the materials. You will need your trusty 4mm crochet hook, which is also known as a G, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and now you're going to need some pony beads. So I'm going to use 3 black pony beads just for the pot of the tree here. I've got quite a nice bright yellow one for the star, and then I've just got a few more different nice colours that will be for the lights. So I've got 5 more different colours here that will just be for these centerpieces here. As for yarn, we're just going to use a nice bit of green, any colour and shade of your choosing, or alternatively you could use any other colour. Like for example, I used a nice sparkly white for this tree and chose some nice blue pony beads for the decorations, and still a nice bright colour for the ornament on top there. So green is optional. I do like how this one turned out. So to start this Christmas tree, all we're going to do is make a nice easy slip knot, like so. Get comfy with the yarn, and now we're going to chain 71. Now just be aware of your tension when creating this long chain. Try and keep it as fluid as possible. So I'll do the first few. There we go, I've done the first 5 there, and see how they're not too tight but they're not too loose. That's kind of the tension that I want to keep for the whole chain. So I've done 5 there and I need a total of 71, so I'll see you at the end. There we go, I've just completed my 71st chain, and as you can see my tension is relatively straight all the way through. It's pretty happy with that one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work into the second loop from the crochet hook. So there's the first, and we will work into the second one here, and we're going to half double crochet. So very quickly to cover that, we're just going to wrap the yarn over our hook once, insert the hook into that stitch, pull it through, and then pull the yarn through all 3 of these loops on the hook, like so. There we go. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull through, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. One more time, yarn over your hook, go into the next stitch, pull through, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Now we're going to half double crochet all the way back down this chain, working into the top section of the stitch. We'll have a total of 70 half double crochets. So I'll see you down there at the bottom. There we go, I've just finished my final half double. So I'm just going to take my scissors and snip this off. I'm going to finish it off, and then I'm going to tie these 2 tails together. Like so. I'm going to take up my yarn needle and just weave these ends back down into it a couple of stitches, just so I can hide them. There we go. So next I'm just going to take up a nice long piece of this green yarn. And thread up my yarn needle. Now before we go any further, I'm going to take up this lovely thing and I'm going to position it like so, just so I know roughly where I'm working. So I want to try and figure out where I'd like the top, about there. I'm just going to pinch it like so and go all the way until I run out of this snake thing. I'm just going to rearrange it a bit because I've still got this little bit at the end. So I'm just going to go over it again, just to make that less obvious. There we go, that's a lot better, like that. So now I've got the rough shape of how I want the tree. I'm going to take my 3 pot colours, so I'm using this black, I didn't have any brown. I'm going to take up my yarn needle. And I'm going to thread the beads onto the needle like so, pull them down the yarn. And when they're roughly the halfway point, I'm going to take 2 of the beads and thread the yarn back up through those 2, and that will make the base. And now what I want to do is I want to thread this other side of the tail through my yarn needle as well, as we'll be working through the Christmas tree with both of these tails. So I'm going to take a moment just to make these go into the middle, like so. So now I know that they are definitely in the middle of my yarn tails. And I'm going to insert my needle through the tree. But before we do that, I'm just going to grab the rest of my pony beads and figure out where I want them to go. So I think we'll have a red one next. So I'm going to insert my needle through that side, pop a red bead on, insert my needle through the middle. I'm going through the middle of the half double crochets, and then a yellow again. I'm going through the middle, go with a bright orange through there, yellow through the middle, red, and then through the final point of the tree, So everything at the moment is on my needle, and all I'm going to do is just pull it all through, like so. And now I'm just going to pop this yellow bead on the very top, and you can either tie it off like so, but just be aware you're going to need a few knots so it doesn't slip off. Or if you're using a different colour, I went back through the bead a couple of times and I thought they made it look like an angel with the little threads, and it kind of looked like the back of angel wings. I liked that. So that's entirely optional. For this, I'm going to go back through it and make a green angel because I can. So I'm just going under and through the bead again, and that will secure it. That bead is not going to move now. And then simply to finish off, I'm just going to tie a nice hanging knot. Take our scissors and there we go. There's my nice new Christmas tree hanging ornament. It's not the best, but I really like how these turn out. I like them being scruffy and they work up so quickly as well. I think I do prefer the white ones. I used a nice white sparkly yarn for this. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hoped you enjoyed learning how to make these lovely hanging Christmas tree decorations. They're great because they work up really quickly and use up scraps, and also it gives you something to do with these pony beads, because if you're like me, I've got thousands and I don't know what to do with them. So they're going on Christmas trees this year. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.